SAP SD Online Training. ProExcellency organized SAP SD Online Training for beginners. Introduction to SAP SD Online Training. In today's fast-changing and highly competitive business world, organizations must manage their sales operations efficiently to survive and grow. Handling customer orders, pricing, delivery, and billing manually is no longer practical, especially when businesses deal with thousands of customers and transactions every day. To overcome these challenges, companies across the globe depend on powerful ERP systems, and one of the most widely used ERP solutions is SAP. SAP provides an integrated platform where all business processes work together in a structured and automated way. Among the various SAP modules, SAP SD, Sales and Distribution plays a vital role because it directly manages customer-related activities and revenue-generating processes. SAP SD helps organizations handle everything from the first customer inquiry to final billing and delivery, ensuring accuracy, transparency, and customer satisfaction. SAP SD Online Training is designed to help students, fresh graduates, and working professionals gain complete knowledge of how sales and distribution processes are managed in real organizations using SAP. This training focuses not only on theoretical concepts but also on practical, real-time system usage. Learners are trained on customer master data, sales order processing, pricing, delivery management, and billing procedures that are used daily in SAP-based companies. One of the biggest advantages of SAP SD Online Training is its flexibility. Learners can attend live online sessions, revise concepts through recorded classes, and practice on real SAP systems from anywhere. This makes it an ideal learning option for professionals who want to upgrade their skills and for freshers who want to start a strong career in SAP. In this video, we will explore SAP SD Online Training in detail, including its importance, benefits, uses, features, advantages, and career opportunities. If you are looking to build a stable and high-growth career in the SAP domain, this video will guide you in the right direction. Why SAP SD Online Training is important. SAP SD Online Training is important because sales and distribution are the main revenue-generating activities of any organization. Without proper management of customer orders, pricing, delivery, and billing, businesses can face delays, financial losses, and poor customer satisfaction. As companies grow and handle large volumes of sales data, manual processes become inefficient and error-prone. SAP SD provides a structured and automated system to manage these sales processes effectively. SAP SD Online Training helps learners understand how real organizations manage the complete sales cycle, from customer inquiry and quotation to sales order processing, delivery, and final billing. Through training, learners gain practical knowledge of customer master data, pricing conditions, taxes, discounts, and credit management. This understanding is essential for working in SAP-based companies. Another key reason SAP SD Online Training is important is the high industry demand for SAP SD professionals. SAP SD is widely used across industries such as manufacturing, retail, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and IT services. Companies prefer candidates who have hands-on SAP SD knowledge and can work on real-time business scenarios. Online training helps learners become job-ready with practical system exposure. Additionally, SAP SD Online Training provides flexibility and accessibility. Learners can attend live online sessions, revise recorded classes, and practice on real SAP systems from anywhere. This makes it ideal for students and working professionals who want to build a stable, high-growth career in the SAP domain. Benefits of SAP SD Online Training. SAP SD Online Training helps learners gain a clear understanding of how sales and distribution processes are handled in real SAP-based organizations. Through practical system training, learners understand important concepts such as sales order processing, pricing, delivery, billing, and customer management. Another key benefit is better career opportunities. SAP SD is widely used across industries like manufacturing, retail, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and IT services. Completing SAP SD Online Training improves job readiness, increases salary potential, and provides long-term career stability. SAP SD Online Training also offers flexibility and convenience. Learners can attend live online classes, revise topics through recorded sessions, and practice on real SAP systems from anywhere. This makes it an ideal choice for students and working professionals who want to upskill without interrupting their current responsibilities. Uses of SAP SD. SAP SD is widely used by organizations to manage and control their complete sales and distribution processes in a structured and efficient manner. One of the main uses of SAP SD is sales order management. It helps companies create, process, and track customer orders from the time an order is received until the product or service is delivered to the customer. This ensures accuracy in order processing and improves customer satisfaction. Another important use of SAP SD is pricing and billing management. SAP SD allows businesses to define pricing rules, apply discounts, calculate taxes, and generate accurate billing documents. This helps avoid billing errors and ensures timely revenue generation. SAP SD also supports delivery and shipping processes, enabling coordination between sales, warehouse, and logistics teams to ensure on-time delivery. SAP SD is also used for customer master data and credit management. It stores complete customer information such as contact details, payment terms, and credit limits. This helps organizations manage customer relationships effectively and reduce financial risk. In addition, SAP SD provides sales reporting and integration with other SAP modules like SAP IM and SAP FICO, helping businesses make better decisions and operate smoothly. Career opportunities in SAP SD. SAP SD offers excellent career opportunities because sales and distribution are critical functions in every organization. Companies across industries such as manufacturing, retail, pharmaceuticals, logistics, FMCG, and IT services use SAP SD to manage their sales operations. As a result, there is strong demand for skilled SAP SD professionals. After completing SAP SD training, learners can work in roles such as SAP SD consultant, SAP Functional Analyst, Sales Process Executive, SAP Support Consultant, or Business Analyst. Freshers can start as SAP SD trainees or junior consultants, while experienced professionals can move into senior consultant, lead consultant, or project manager roles. SAP SD professionals work on activities like sales order processing, pricing configuration, billing, customer master data, and system support. With experience, professionals can work on real-time SAP implementation and support projects, both in India and abroad. Overall, SAP SD provides long-term career growth, good salary potential, and opportunities to work with global organizations. Why choose ProExcellency? ProExcellency is a trusted training institute known for delivering high-quality SAP training with a strong focus on practical learning. The training programs are designed by industry experts to help learners understand real-time business scenarios and gain hands-on experience on live SAP systems. ProExcellency is a trusted training institute known for delivering high-quality SAP training with a strong focus on practical learning. The training programs are designed by industry experts to help learners understand real-time business scenarios and gain hands-on experience on live SAP systems. ProExcellency also offers flexible online training schedules, recorded session access, and dedicated support for learners. In addition to technical training, the institute provides career guidance, resume preparation, interview support, and placement assistance. With quality training, expert mentorship, and continuous support, ProExcellency is an ideal choice for building a successful career in SAP SD. Enroll today and take the first step toward a high-growth SAP career. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more SAP learning videos. Like, share, and comment if this video helped you. Contact us.